Okay, so for this waterfall braid look, what you're going to need is some bobby pins and maybe a hair accessory of some kind. Now, when doing this, you grab a piece of hair just above your ear so that it's not too high and not too low. You grab it and divide it into two, like, so I'm just gonna have to move close. Okay, so you grab two pieces of hair, fold it over, like that. Then you grab a piece, like this. Grab a piece and you put it right through the middle. And you fold this piece over the top. And you do it again. And then you fold it over. And you just keep doing that all the way around your head. Now you can do this as tight or as loose as you want it. But it's really just that simple. Grab a piece, put it over the top, fold this piece over. Do it with me, ready? Grab a piece, put it over the top, fold it over. And again, grab a piece, pull it over, fold this piece over the top. Now, to secure it, get a couple of bobby pins. Really should have got this part. Grab a bobby pin, just secure it downwards. I think it's good to know that if this looks like really crappy, I'm doing this without a mirror, so. And then just accessorize. Okay, so thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed, and see you later.